What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's your boy Rookie HVAC back again with another video. It's been long, bro. Not my fault, man. It's just that transition where it's getting cold, getting hot, getting cold, getting hot, and the summer ain't really got here yet. So today I got a call about a unit that's making a loud noise in the server room. So yeah, we about to see what's going on with that. Yeah, got y'all with me on the journey, man. Let's see what we got. Alright, y'all, so I'm in the server room. As you can hear, it's coming from up there. I don't know what it is. We about to find out though. Alright, y'all, so we up here. I'm about to cut the power off. So I can examine what's going on. Alright, so I'm thinking it's the blower, but y'all guess it's just cement. Usually when it's loud noise like that, it's the blower or something off. Let's see, I don't know. So that's the blower. This is what's circulating the area. Push this contact ring. That's what we got. Again, you know, we want to be very careful dealing with this stuff. I got an insulated screwdriver. I'm gonna push the contact ring, or it's probably for the call. It probably cut on itself when I resume power. So let's cut the power back on. don't sound right. So the bearings are bad. I could try getting. Don't sound good. So I just cut the power, but I'm gonna hit the contactor again just to make sure it ain't no power before I take this belt off and do some more inspection. Alright, so I got gloves. I don't know why I didn't put them on. My hands getting all dirty. Can't touch on your girl with dirty hands. You did. Belt pretty tight. That's clear. So yeah, this pulley sounds horrible. Pushed it in again. Alright, y'all, so make sure the power. Alright, y'all, so this be a one-stop shop. We're gonna replace this motor. We don't really need to replace the pulley, but I probably replace that too. Blower wheel looks clean. Clean that up as well. But yeah, I'm gonna replace this motor before it locks up. And they said, yeah, it just started coming out of nowhere. They never had this problem before. Yeah, we're gonna replace this motor and come back. Super techs out there, if there's anything y'all think I should have did different, let me know. But yeah, we're gonna replace this motor and this pulley. And I'm just replacing the pulley just because, yeah, I don't think I need to replace it. I know I don't need to replace it, but I'm gonna replace it just because. So yeah, we can clean this up. I'm gonna run it by run everything by the customer, let them know what I gotta do, and yeah, see what they say. Alright guys, I just got finished doing that call. Pretty simple call. I'm gonna replace the motor, go ahead and replace the pulley as well, which is that circle that you guys saw on the motor. I wasn't doing too much talking on this call because I'm in a high security place, so I was right by the security desk. I can film in there, but I just didn't want to be too loud. That was their server room, and when that room gets too hot, being that all their computers and stuff is in there, it makes all the computers in the building go slower. I've even seen some of them shut down. So the unit is working, but with the unit being that loud and the bearing sounding like that, it could lock out pretty soon. So we'll see if I can get that approval. I'll probably go ahead and order it, to be honest with you, because they need it. I would hate a emergency call for something like that when they know the severity of it, given the space that it's cooling. But yeah, for the most part, guys, pretty simple call. I got a TXV installed tomorrow. I'm gonna definitely try to get some footage on that. I've been away a little bit because it's that season where, like I said earlier in the video, I'm not sure, I gotta see when I chop it up, but it's that season where it's hot, it's cold, it's hot, it's cold, and calls are getting inconsistent. I'm still working, but a lot of the work I don't think would be much as informative as these calls that I'm doing right now. The TXV, I'm definitely doing that tomorrow. I'm gonna film on that tomorrow. I'm gonna have some help with me. So yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all subscribing. Comment, repost, share. We're gonna learn together. Anything y'all feel like I did wrong or do wrong in these calls, respectfully, you can respectfully just put in the comments, tell me, we can chop it up, we can talk. Yeah, if y'all got any things y'all would do different, just let me know. I like to grow, I like to learn. Like, comment, repost, and more videos on the way. Y'all stay blessed.